motion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Rise and grind, good people, rise and grind. Look, man, I want to start off by saying I appreciate everybody who subscribed to the boy channel, man. Y'all getting me up there. I'm almost at, 1,000 subscribers? Yeah, I appreciate that. That's a good look. But back to the main event, and if you don't know, let me break down the rules. We're going to have one lucky winner win this free car service. For your chance to win, this is what you need to do. 3 easy steps. First and foremost, subscribe to the channel. Like the video, watch out for that keyword, and comment it in the section below. All right, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. All right, so check me out. This video is gonna be something different. Got a SCION. You see all this damage here? I wanna do a nice facelift and get her right. I'm gonna change out the lights, the fender, and the bumper. Show you how to do it. So we're gonna be replacing both headlight assemblies because we don't want a brand new one. She didn't want that look like an old one, you know. So we're gonna match it up. So my parts right here. We're gonna unbox them. How they get it in a box. Man, fold it up in there. That's the bumper. Not unravel that. You'll be able to see it spread out. It's gonna look like that. So all of these parts come in black. I don't do any painting, so I'm not a painter. So these have to be sprayed individually, either beforehand or while it's on the car. Bumper, got a fender. It's hitting right there. So, this is what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna start with the fender first. All right, so we got a few 10 mil bolts that's holding down. It's 1, 2 for the top portion. We already had, this is already coming undone. Gotta get all up in here. Take off the fender well, detach it from the fender. We got a bolt in here, like that one. Got this bottom part. Just take a flathead, pry it down. Make sure you take out the bolt that's up under there. That bolt there, that's holding the bottom in. You see these 2 bolts right here. 1, 2. I gotta bend it back so I can get to it, but that's gonna release the bottom portion of the fender. That down. Move. Alright, we got inside of here. When we get in there, we can move this out the way. Alright, and now see that bolt there. Alright, loose. We gotta get to the bolt. There's a bolt in here. Like that. Those bolts. We got a couple bolts here. Alright, take that out. Now we can get to those last two bolts. Little work there, man. That's for one fender. Now we gotta take off the. We're gonna do the bumper next. And get the grill out. Get up under there. Take off the skid plate cover or whatever. Let's see what we got going on. All right, we got these clips. You can see how they look. All you gotta do is pry it. Put a flat head up under there, pry that up, and then you can pull it out like that. Those tags are all the way around. And then you got the 10 millimeters on each side. Another clip. 10 mil. Okay, this is why I do not like to mess with cars that's from up north that's been rusted with a lot of different, like salt. These bolts are so hard to undo. I'm trying not to break them. I already broke like 3-4 of them so far. One right here, you see it? Still in there. Head. That's the head right there. Look at that. Got a few of them like that on that side right there. That's just how it is, man. Trying my best not to break them though. Alright, as soon as you get that free, you can throw it back on the bumper. As you can see, start to come off. And we're gonna do this side over here and get up underneath. Okay, these are the bolts, 8 bolts, 10 millimeter bolts, and they are going to be up under here all around. There's 8 of them. Then you have to take off the bumper. Alright, so that's what that piece is. That piece right there broke. Alright. It's still on the bumper, but I'm gonna try to put it on the new bumper. That's what that is. It's supposed to go on that side like that. So we're gonna work it out. A few pieces are broken, but no major damage. And I can see, so far so good, man. All right, going to the light. All right, we got a 10 mil here. We already took off this one here, and don't look like it's held on by anything else, so do these connectors. ahead and take the other one off. Alright, and this is where it's supposed to look like that on the other side. But it was broken in the accident, so we're gonna piece it back together. Alright, that thing right there, I put it in place. I'm matching it up, everything good. I'm gonna put the grill on this one, on a new bumper, and everything look good. Okay, so the grill, that's the grill. Put that in, and take out these insertions right here, both of them, pop them out, and also take out these clips and put it on a new one. Get that bottom grill out. Alright, it's ready to go on. I'm gonna install the headlight unit. We gotta replace the light bulb because this light bulb is broken. Alright, that's what it's supposed to look like. Install it. Alright, next I'll put in that fender. Alright, but I gotta do some fabrication. I gotta bend this out, make it all match up and line up so I can put the bolts back in. Alright, make sure you take this clip off the old headlight unit. Just gonna go on the side of it. Go in there like that. Make it work, make it work. And that's what that's supposed to look like. And this is broken, of course. But you can put a bolt down here, hold it in. Alright, so here we go. We're trying to line it up. This little piece here, you gotta make sure you take off the other one and glue it to the other. Trying to line this here up with that. That was bent back. I already pushed it up some. Now I gotta get that top one, pull it out some so it can touch the fender and line up over here, this hole. And we're gonna go ahead and put those bolts in, those 10 mils. Underneath. And that is it. Had to jump back on the phone, man, because that GoPro would not keep a charge, man. That thing won't stay charged for long. But like I was saying, man, everything is installed, looking good. This is what my client wanted, and looking good, man. So if y'all liking the content, man, y'all know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Y'all hit that notification bell. Y'all have a blessed one, man. Pull up, gang.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.